Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Yitty subscription, or you can say membership. So first of all, I want to tell you the cancellation is very easy. So as you know, Yitty is a sister brand of Fabletics. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on this page. I will provide you this link in our video description box, or you can directly search this term on internet, Yitty membership, BER membership. You can search this term on internet, okay, and you will see membership cancel. Like you can see, how can I cancel my membership at any time? You will see this kind of result, okay. So basically when you visit on this page, there is an option you can cancel your membership at any time, and you just need to simply call their customer service representative. Phone number they have provided on the same page, okay, and phone number is available 24 hours and 7 days a week. You can call at any time, and once you get connected, you just need to simply tell them that you wish to cancel your membership, and they will cancel your membership, okay. And you can also chat with their customer support team by logging into your account, and you can also tell them that you wish to cancel your membership. You can also cancel your membership very easily. And if you are facing any issue, and if you are facing any problem, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And if you have any other questions also, you can also put your questions in our comment section. So this is the video how you can cancel your membership at Yitty, okay. Now if you have any other questions, make a comment. So bye bye, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Link is in our video description box.